Hey guys, so I wanted to make this quick video. I know my channel is not really doing too hot these days, I get it, but I wanted to make a quick video. I'm giving you guys a update on what I'm working on and how I want to move forward. So I thought I'd make a cool video titled My Goals for the Next 4 Days, for the next 4 weeks, for the next 4 months, and the next 4 years. So just as a disclaimer, I at most have a vague idea what might happen in the next 4 weeks to 4 months. If I'm predicting where my life is gonna be, it's very difficult for me to predict beyond the 6 to 8 week mark. Like on if I predict my life very well, I can kind of see myself going in a certain direction in maybe 6 to 7 weeks. However, anything beyond those 2 months is off the hook. So when I say the next 4 months and the next 4 years, these are goals that are not really solidified. They're just like kind of just vaguely fantasize. They're dreams, basically. They're just me imagining what might happen. So let's start with the next 4 days. Okay, so the next 4 days and the next 4 weeks, I have a little bit more concrete idea of what I'm gonna do, what I'm not gonna do, and stuff like that. So let's do the 4 days. So for the next 4 days, I want to start exercising 3 20-minute sessions per day, every other day. And I want to start studying 1.4 hours on Duolingo every day consistently, and 1 hour of math every day. So by the next 4 days, I want to be studying about 2.5 hours per day and exercising about an hour every other day. So that makes sense. I'm not the best at keeping my promises, but I think I'm getting there. I finally, and the reason I made this goal is because I've been, if you haven't noticed, if you watched a few of my older videos, I've been trying so many different things, not just like in my personality, my value systems, my objectives, and they've just been completely off the spectrum, like doing every single thing that I can think of, making every single mistake from polar opposite directions. Look, I know I'm unstable, but I finally got to the point where I'm stabilizing with my goals and I'm not flip-flopping anymore. Like, I feel like I'm going to be consistent with the goal. Hey, who knows? I might change again, but I'm fairly certain that this time it's going to be consistent for a longer time. It's been kind of getting more there. Like in the beginning, when I first got out of depression, like end of last year, I was like trying so many different value systems. It was changing almost on like I'm not a daily, but almost like on a weekly basis. Over the last few months, it's been stabilizing, and my goal has been changing, but more like every 2 to 3 weeks, and then it started becoming every like maybe 3 to 4 weeks, and now I feel like it's kind of stabilizing. I've tried enough things out where I know what I'm going to do, what I'm not going to do, and I wanted to just ensure that I'm going to stabilize, right? I'm not there yet. I'm getting close. I really support you guys helping me out because I need the help I can get. And I'm just rambling on. I get it. So I'm not a really good talker at this moment in time, but I'm trying to get there. Hopefully I get there soon enough. So for the next 4 days, I want to start exercising again. My hand is almost fully healed. I still have like other injuries and stuff. I'm working through it, but I want to start exercising consistently. 3 20-minute sessions. I work out at home, so I don't have to go to the gym, but I have a ton of workout equipment at home. I want to exercise 3 20-minute sessions per day, and every other day. If I do it every day, it's not that healthy. I have to let my muscle recover. Maybe sometimes every 3 days even, because if I work 3 20-minute sessions, that is an hour of workout, but because I do it really intensely and I don't count the resting periods in between, that's more like an hour and a half of workout during the day. And I'm not exactly an athlete, so working out an hour and a half in a single day is quite intensive, and I don't want to overdo myself. I did this before and I caught a cold because I was pushing myself too hard. I need to give complete rest several times a day and just skip a few days if I worked out the previous day or something like that. So that's for the next 4 days, and I'm going to do 1.5 hours of Duolingo every day and 1 hour of math every day. Now the math, I do want to do more math, but I'm just going through like some issues right now where I have to look at my previous, like mentioned in my previous video that my older videos remind me of how other people used my name in the language, and it's very depressing to listen to that. And a lot of the good math videos are old, and I have to get through that. So I'm going to try and do 1 hour of math every day within the next 4 days, okay? And I'm going to try and increase that from there. I'm going to do 1.5 hours to Duolingo. Duolingo is amazing because they constantly update their curriculum. So like if I change some value systems, I'm not going to lie, I do have a lot of influence in my thinking abilities and my communication abilities, and Duolingo definitely feels that. even like a lot of people feel it. Supercell, the Finnish mobile game, feels it heavily because I play all their games and I'm letting Finnish on top of it, so they're feeling it too. So like they're feeling the heat. So look, I'm one of those weird people who aren't really popular on social media, but I have a lot of influence. I'm trying to become popular too, so you guys gotta help me out on that. Give me some tips. So we can work through that. So I'm gonna do 1.5 hours Duolingo. Duolingo is amazing. 1 hour of math every day. So that's for the next 4 days. For the next 4 weeks, I'm going to continue studying 1.5 hours of Duolingo. Honestly, I wanted to be doing 1.5 hours of Duolingo every single day for the rest of my life. Or like language learning for the rest of my life. I want that because language is so key in improving my communication skills because you get to read how other people think and you can match the vocal tonality and the pronunciation of how other people think. And that builds natural rapport with people and it drives your confidence up if you know how to do it well. If you're just a nerd who knows a lot of different languages, it doesn't help. But if you know how to build confidence with it, learning a lot of languages can amplify your message heavily. So take that with a grain of salt. So 2.5 hours of math every day, 1.5 hours of Duolingo. So by the next 4 weeks, I would like to be doing 2.5 hours of math every day. And by the end of the 4th week, I want to start posting 3 math lecture videos on my math YouTube channel per week. And each math video is going to be like 5 to 10 minutes long. I'm probably going to have to spend an hour or 2 hours to it. I'm trying to build up my math skills. My math skills, I have posted a few videos, but math skills are pretty not so good and my communication skills really down as well, so my videos haven't been getting that many views, so I need to improve everything. If my math videos still don't get many views, I'm going to continue to work on my communication skills. I'm going to continue to work on my math skills, and then I'll try to post again. But by the end of 4 weeks, I want to try to start posting maybe 3 short math videos on my math YouTube channel per week. So I'm going to work on that. So I'm sorry, I'm not a very communicator. I'm just laying it down. So the next 4 weeks, I want to still be doing Duolingo 1.5 hours a day, 3 hours of math per day, 5 YouTube videos on my channel per week, and I want to target minimum a few hundred views per YouTube video that I upload. So this is for the next 4 weeks. If I can get a few hundred views per YouTube video that I make for a math channel, not this channel, but for a math channel, if I can do that, I will qualify as a decent educator. Because there's a lot of YouTubers in math industry who make a lot of videos that don't get views. If you can get a few hundred views per math video that you make, you've got some skill. Not a lot of skill, not as skilled as the people who get thousands of views within the first few weeks on their videos. Those guys are the top of the top. But even if you can get a few hundred views, that means if worst comes to worst, I could probably land a few tutoring clients at 30, 40 USD an hour, which is not a lot, but I can start there. And to be honest, I've seen guys who get maybe 100, 200 views per YouTube video for the math videos, and they only have a few thousand subscribers, and they're charging 80 to 100 USD per hour for the math tutoring. So obviously they have calculus 3, multi-variable calculus, higher level maths that I don't. But even if I can do something to high school students, which I can teach now, or maybe in a bit, communication skills can communication skills can outmatch any type of math, high level math skills we have. Of course, if you can teach higher math, then you can make more money, but a lot of parents want their kids to learn from someone who has good communication skills. I'm not there yet, but I'm working towards it. So that's my next 4-month goal. And I want to continually be improving my communication skills along the way, not just math. That's why I do a Duolingo and just continue to talk to people and stuff like that. So I go on Discord and just talk and practice talking with people with the video camera and stuff like that. It's amazing. So anyways, thank you for tuning in. Now for the last one, 4-year mark, I want to have 100. So this is something that's complete off. I don't know how to predict this. It's just me imagining what it might be like. So just me being, hey, maybe if I had these things in the next 4 years, I'd be pretty happy. So okay, so first goal, 100K subscribers on my math channel, and be an online business owner making at least 6 figures. And also want to have $50,000 minimum saved in my bank account, USD or Canadian, it doesn't really matter, but just $50,000, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 saved in my bank account. So $80,000. Maybe I may have $100,000 saved in my bank account. Look, doesn't matter. I want some money. So that's my main goal, and I'll still be doing Duolingo 1.5 hours per day. Hopefully 3 hours of math per day continually into the 4 years, because math is going to be a lifelong process. I want to be really good at math. I need to get good at technical skill, and I want to be good at math. So that's my technical skill that I want to make money through. And I'm going to be in the education sector because I love communication. Originally, I wanted to be an AI instructor, but I really like the education sector because, it's just, I love communication and math. AI is amazing, but I love communication, math, and just something I enjoy. And I might do physics and chemistry, biology. I don't know yet, but to be honest, I want to stick with math. I want to get really good at one subject, and math is my subject of choice. So I'm gonna probably branch out a lot and just talk a lot about math instructions and just education. My vlogging about my math journey, gaining a technical skill, and making money through math, teaching, education, business, all these things that I want to work towards. So anyways, that's all there is, clear in the clear. That's what I work towards. I know I'm all over the place. I'm trying to get centered and try to really, really feel what I can do for other people that I know I can, but cannot yet. I know it's not there yet, but I'm working towards it. So those are my goals. Those are my goals for the next 4 days, the next 4 weeks, the next 4 months, and the next 4 years. Of course, the 4 months to 4 years, I cannot predict. It's just pure imagination. Hopefully, I can attain the goals that I set in the next 4 days and the next four weeks. Next 4 days and next 4 weeks. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. You guys watching my videos makes me so confident. And I hope you guys make a ton of money. And leave in the comments. Maybe you have some stories you can share to me of how you managed to ace your master's degree or your doctorate or whatever. Or maybe just you finished your calculus exam, which is what I'm trying to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Thanks for support. Kamsahamnida. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.